Welcome to this tutorial video. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to create a Linux bootable USB using the Rufus tool, a simple yet powerful utility. Let's get started. Step 1. Download Rufus. First, head over to the official Rufus website at rufus.ie. There you'll find the latest version of the tool available for download. Rufus is lightweight, only about 3 MB in size, so it downloads quickly and doesn't take up much space. So once it's downloaded, locate the file and double click to launch it. Step 2. Gather your tools. Now that we have Rufus ready, what else do we need? Two things. Firstly, a USB drive with at least 4 GB of capacity. 8 GB or more is recommended for smoother performance. Secondly, a Linux ISO file, the disk image of the operating system you want to install. Rufus support virtually all the Linux distributions, so you are free to pick your favorite: Ubuntu, Debian, Fedora, Red Hat, OpenSUSE, or any other. Step 3. Configure Rufus. With Rufus open, let's set it up. Select the USB drive. In the device drop-down at the top, choose your USB drive. Double check it's right one. Rufus will erase everything on it, so ensure there is nothing important left on the drive. Choose the ISO file. Click the select button next to the boot selection, then browse to the Linux ISO file you downloaded. Once you have selected it, Rufus will automatically detect it and adjust its settings. There are few optional tweaks that you can do. For most users, the default settings works perfectly for any Linux distribution. However, if you are advanced and want to tweak things like partition scheme or file system, feel free to explore those options. Step 4. Create the bootable USB. When everything is set, hit the start button. Rufus will display a warning that all the data on the USB will be wiped. Click OK to proceed. The tool will now format the USB drive and copy the Linux ISO into it. This process usually takes a few minutes. Depending on the size of the ISO and the speed of your USB, you will see a progress bar letting you know how it's going. Step 5. Finishing up. Once the progress bar hits 100% and says ready, you are done. Safely eject the USB drive using the eject option in your file explorer, and it's now a fully bootable Linux installation media. You can plug it into any computer, boot it from the USB, and start installing or testing your Linux distro. That's it. Rufus makes this possible incredibly straightforward. Whether you are setting up Ubuntu for daily use or experimenting with Fedora, you now have a reliable bootable USB ready to go. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments and stay tuned for more tech tutorials.